How to recover deleted WhatsApp call history.
Hello everyone, this is Hazel here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's get started.
Tap and hold on WhatsApp application. Go to the app information. Tap on clear data. Tap on clear cache. Tap on OK. Go back. Go to the file manager. Here, go to the internal storage. Scroll down to WhatsApp. Tap on databases. Select all these files. Tap on these three dots. Tap on copy to. Tap on internal storage. Tap on backup and paste all this file here, and your deleted call on WhatsApp will be restored.
Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for now and I'll catch you in the next one.